welcome to our midweek check-in at JHA House Call. I'm Dr. John Lucio. I practice integrative medicine, pain management in Jefferson City, Missouri, and this is my wife.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Sue. I practice conventional gynecology. We love integrative medicine, keeping you guys healthy. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We upload 2 videos a week. During the coronavirus pandemic, we're all taught the basic principle of not touching our face. Why is that? Because the virus cannot get into our bodies through our skin. The skin is the most important barrier in our body. So there's 3 places on our face that we can allow the virus in. It's our eyes, nose, and mouth. Those have mucous membranes. So the mucous membranes are the soft, moist membranes of our face that allow the virus in. So through the whole video, as we disinfect things that come into our house, always remember, don't touch your mouth, nose, or eyes. Today's video is just important because of the fact that virus could be on anything, even the flu virus and even the common cold. These principles really can be carried on after this pandemic is over with. First off, you go get the mail right here. So we're gonna pretend that whoever was somewhere along the line, the mail didn't just come from the person that sent you the mail, right? The mail came from somebody. It could be a young, healthy person just licking your letter, or the person at the business office putting together your bill that you have to pay. So let's say that coronavirus is this little sticky note right here. Can you guys see that? We'll put 2 sticky notes. So you could, coronavirus right here. The mailman's touched it, maybe he has coronavirus. The postal worker at the post office, maybe someone walking by your house, it's right there on your mail. You just came into the house. The reason that it's important is you do not want that sticky note into your mouth, nose, or eyes. So what you're gonna do is you're going to take everything and treat it like surgery. Doctors are into preventing infection. When you have surgery, they don't want your sticky note into your wound where they're operating. So they operate with sterile fields. So before you allow this into your home, I took this off, and you're gonna wanna put it in some kind of a plastic. So let me go grab it.
Wish I had a joke about now.
Okay. Did you behave while I was gone?
No.
So this is the bag that you're going to drop anything that you're not going to wipe down. So take standard, any kind of wipe that's going to disinfect things. And if you're going to use this, rubber band, you're going to disinfect, that's safe. So you're going to take all these things, and anything you're going to keep in your house, you literally have to wipe down. You just can't be too careful because it's very simple. Wipe that down, wipe that down, wipe that down, wipe that down, wipe, and wipe. So your virus just left. Okay? So that's how you disinfect the mail. We have packages. Oh, look at that. Coronavirus right there, or flu virus, common cold. So anything came in the house, to wipe down. Coronavirus just left. So now you're allowed to open. Like my husband's doing, some people actually wear masks to open things because as you're opening, maybe there's dust that flew out. So take out your things. Now Jack's gonna see what I ordered. What is this? This is diamond powder brush. So I'm gonna wipe all this down. It's already sealed, so I don't have to worry about virus getting in there. So any kind of contents that's in here, this is more beauty products to hydrate, nourish my face. From the factory, it's probably fine, so you don't have to go crazy and open it up and just, okay, so I disinfect it. All right, so this, if you're done, needs to go in a bag, and it needs to go outside. All right, next thing is your groceries. So on all these nice grocery stores, they usually have someone that's taking your cart after you're done, wiping down the handle, and then also giving you a cart because they've taken the time to wipe down the cart with these things. These bags though, pretend that you are someone that doesn't know that you have coronavirus and you literally just left a virus on the next bag for us to use. Well, we don't see the virus, right? So we just put in all this thing into our thing and then we took this bag home. So that's why it's so important for every bag to wipe it down. So mom, with dad being a double transplant recipient, she keeps all the groceries back in her decontamination quarantine area, and then she takes out the groceries. This is fresh bread. What if somebody walked by, touched it, and the wife said, "You don't like that bread?" He puts it back, right? He didn't know he had virus, he touched it. So then I go along, "Oh, Jack likes this bread." Wipe it down, wipe it down. Virus is off. This is probably been sitting on the shelf forever. Quinoa. Who buys quinoa? What if somebody walked by, a kid was like, "Mom, what's this?" There's virus right here. Wipe the bag down. You took off the virus. Safe in your house. This is good. Okay. This is a contaminated bag. You've wiped it down. You want to go ahead and safely put it in the trash bag that's going to go out into away from the house. Washing of the hands is still found to be the most effective, but all of us touch our hair and touch our face by accident. So if you can decontaminate everything that comes into your house, whether it's mail, groceries, anything, and protect you and your family, because all of us accidentally touch our faces. So before you ever eat any of your groceries, just go ahead and wash. So you're gonna wash while you are singing happy birthday. That's, you use soap, water, wash. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Done. So hopefully this is helpful. Next week we're going to talk about
The paleo diet.
and we'll see you again in our next video.
So long, everybody. First one. This one. We have a
Aren't you
smart
glad
girl.
that I'm neurotic?